Ndewo kekime. Aham Bijoma Akubue. Onye na-enyere gị aka ka ị na-asụ Igbo, okay? Ka gị na ezinụlọ gị nwee ike na-asụ Igbo, okay? So my name is Ijoma, okay? And I help you speak Igbo so that you can better connect with your identity and also connect with your family in a whole new way by speaking Igbo together. All right, okay? So what I want to say today, first of all, I want to say thank you for being with Igbo Study the whole of 2019, okay? I am so grateful. Obi demoto, okay? Obi demoto. So I'm grateful that you're here and you are the reason why I'm here, okay? And I gain encouragement when you're here to listen and learn. So Daalụ. Okay, so the main reason I'm here today is as we move into the new year, I am giving myself a challenge, okay? Especially as I'm reopening the bootcamp. If you've been here a while, you will know about the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp, which was last opened in September, which was a while ago, okay? So I'm opening it soon, but I want to get in the mood and want to build the momentum, okay? Momentum breeds momentum, so we want to get in the mood of learning, the mood of speaking and moving on with our goals, okay? So I've decided to do a video every weekday, Monday to Friday in January. Okay, so I've been doing Monday to Friday videos in January, okay? That's the challenge I've set up for myself, okay? Some of them will be in English, some of them will be in Igbo, depending on the topic, okay? Like the ones for this week will be mostly in English because it will be about goals, planning, and making sure you got everything ready to speak Igbo this year. Okay, and then next week there'll be more teachings, more speaking of Igbo, and just like that. So it's a mixture. Okay, so I invite you to do this challenge with me, and not to do the exact thing I'm doing because I'm doing live videos. Okay, but I invite you to do something. Okay, maybe challenge yourself. Every weekday for 30 minutes, I will actively learn Igbo. So actively, what I mean by that is you actively pick up a book or watch a video with the goal to learn something about Igbo language or about Igbo culture. Okay? Because of course, every chance you get, I encourage you to speak it. So you're not speaking Igbo for 30 minutes. You speak Igbo anytime you get a chance to. You have somebody that speaks Igbo. If you get a chance, just speak Igbo with them. Sorry. And even if you don't, speak it to yourself, okay? But the challenge I'm encouraging you to take up is to actively bring out some time every day, maybe Monday to Friday like I'm doing, 30 minutes, at the very least 15 minutes, okay? And learn something in Igbo language, okay? So if you're going to do this challenge, I want you to type air in the comments. So air is yes in Igbo, yes? Okay. Okay, I'm going. Okay. Okay. Emeka, all right, okay. So that's what will be happening because it's live video. Emeka, what is your logo? So because it's live video, you will see these interruptions now and again. Because maybe the school will be better. Okay. So I encourage you to do the challenge with me. Bring out at least 15 minutes a day, weekdays, to learn something in Igbo language. Okay. All right. And with that, I am going. Cody. I got Huichi. Cody. Chinedu kedo odema, my brother. Daalụ. My dots are gala the opposite side, so what? God.